I placed a big Black Friday order and the sale goes through the 27th. So I want to show you some products that are so imperative to my everyday that I stock up this much. I go hard, okay? So I actually bought 3 different packages. Where am I gonna put all these so Puppy doesn't eat them? For now, right here. I got the chocolate trim. I also got many other flavors of trim. I only had peach, but that is limited edition, I believe. Let me tell you about trim. I used to only use powdered collagen. Why unpack this? I'll just chat a little bit, try to get the packages together. Since I ordered 3 sets worth, because you save so much by doing it this way. I mean, they always have little freebies throughout the year anyway, but I thought I would try this once, and I've ordered multiple times, like multiple times. So, I ordered a cleaning package. I'm here for the collagen. I knew nothing about that they had non-toxic plant-derived cleaning products, but bear with me while I try to organize. And oh, I got a freebie. I didn't know I got a tumbler. This goes with this set. I started with the liquid collagen based on a recommendation from a friend when I was told that powdered collagen, they don't even absorb. And it's pretty expensive, right? For that tub, you put in your coffee or you put in your shake. That means you have to remember to put it in something. But the liquid, you just take straight out of the bottle. So there's no need to like have it at work with you to make your coffee and then you end up skipping it. You know, it's none of that. Geez, this cleaning section's pretty big. Okay, blackberry, vanilla, and chocolate. This is the spoon that I've been wanting. It's taking a little too long. Probably should have done this before I went live. Ooh, I need soap. I'm out of healthy soaps. A little tidbit. Never use peppermint soap, ladies, in the wrong areas. You will get a tingling sensation in the wrong area. Okay? So, this chocolate trim came with my set of coffee. I'm going to talk about the coffee next and the creamer. This came together with, I guess, the free tumbler. Also, what I bought was the vanilla, which I've never had because I'm a chocolate girl, but I already have chocolate and another one in there in the fridge, so I decided to go with vanilla and blackberry. Plus, I can always add things to vanilla. And these came with a spoon. Now, it's ridiculous how badly I wanted this spoon. And the dog is eating a biodegradable peanut. Let's not do that. I don't really like the purple spoon. I just wanted the rose gold one. But the reason this is great is because it fits the amount of trim that you need. The reason the spoon is so beneficial is because I add the Trebiotics into my spoonful of trim. Now, trim is way more than a liquid collagen. And then I add these little balls. You've heard of prebiotics. You've heard of probiotics. It tastes like a crumble topping of a dessert. So you've heard of prebiotics, you've heard of probiotics. This is Trebiotic. So microbiome matrix proprietary blend. I add this into my trim, but I'm not here to tell you about that. Does it aid in getting my physique back? Possibly, but what does, I believe, make a difference is the trim. So vanilla, blackberry, chocolate. Tastes like chocolate pudding, right? Put it in the spoon once a day or twice a day, or as I do, just put it in your mouth. Let me tell you what it actually is. It inhibits fat storage, okay? It is a fat metabolizer. I mean, it is your collagen plus. It is for your hair, your nails, your gums, your eyes, your joints. So I was taking the powdered collagen for my joints. And look at what it did to my nails actually, because I just ripped off my fake nails that were glued on, right? So you think they would have ripped off with it. Look at my nails besides the one that I cut. They are like really thick, really long. I have to cut these, like they're not even because I cover them with fake nails, but that's pretty insane. My hair is no longer a bob. And it's a fat burner. So I don't know how many times I can say this. Your skin starts to glow. Allegedly, I find that my pores are shrinking. I saw the skin effect immediately, but the joints and the weight loss and the tasty chocolatey taste, like I keep reordering this. I've had chocolate, peach, chocolate again, and now I have chocolate, vanilla, and blackberry, which is the seasonal flavor. And there's also a liquid version that is not trim, which is not pudding, that will be arriving, and I'll do a video next. The trim has CLA. CLA increases fat loss. I was taking pills of CLA when I competed because I won't do fat burners, you know, the ones that make you shake and all that, I won't do those. But the fact that this collagen is hydrolyzed is why you absorb it. It's why the powdered collagen is no longer in my pantry over here. So it has a special collagen matrix technology, it has 0 sugar, and they say it can regulate your glucose. It is great for immunity, it is great for bone and heart health. The fact that it helps my joints, hair, and can increase fat loss and my metabolism is why I recommend it, because you actually absorb it. The powdered one, you don't know how much you absorb. So on to the next package, my coffee. The reason I like this coffee is because it boosts your focus. I think I have ADHD. I can't concentrate for long. I get distracted with every noise, picture, thought, sound, and especially if it's something I don't enjoy doing. So this helps me to sit still. Basically, it helps your memory. It helps you learn. And if I have to sit and do a lot of work all day, I make sure I have a full cup of coffee, but it comes in these single servings and I usually split one in half, okay? And I will use half the powder one day and half the next. And what I do is I add this creamer. It's keto friendly. It has MCTs and grass-fed butter already in it. I still add my grass-fed butter, my ghee. But back to the coffee, I wanted to tell you that it has L-theanine in it. So it relaxes your mental state. And that is why it is pretty much a concentration coffee. It is a productivity coffee. My friend calls it a smart coffee. It increases your clarity. So you don't get that shakiness, but it does like boost you like coffee. So this is like the only coffee I'll have now. I do add, you know, my Devotion protein to it, and apparently they gave me a tumbler, but I've already been talking too long. So, oh, it's cute. It looks like a Starbucks cup with the big M. Cute. Because I ordered this much, I actually got the trim in single packets, so if I fly or travel for the holiday, like I don't have to miss a day. So you get 15 little pouches of little chocolate puddings, and yeah, basically I recommend the trim and the liquid that I'll do another video on when it arrives. I ordered a 4-pack, and I ordered pet collagen. I mean, this is how much this brand has become a part of my daily life. I take a teaspoon or a tablespoon, whatever this is, 2 tablespoons, a spoonful of trim a day and a spoonful of the liquid that does not have the CLA fat burning additive. They all have collagen, but I have, instead of 2, I have 1 teaspoon of liquid and 1 of pudding, or you can just have 2 teaspoons of this a day. It says 1, I take 2. Now, because the soaps that I've been using is not the best non-toxic, I mean, it's better than the old school brands, but I wanted to try little samples of their laundry detergent. Well, I don't use fabric softener, but I guess this healthy one I could. Dishwasher gel, multi-surface cleaner, fresh space, I think to spray on your pillows. Dish soap, which is what I need to replace Mrs. Meyer's the bars because my soap's pretty expensive because I won't use toxic soap, and hand wash cleanse, gentle conditioning. It has cranberry lemon rosewood fragrance. I'm kind of anti-fragrance. Let's see. It might be essential oils. It contains fragrance, but you know I'm honest with you, right? What you put on your skin goes directly into your bloodstream. So the least toxins and hormone disrupting fragrances you have around you and absorbing in you daily, the better. So I'm here for liquid collagen in pudding form. It's called Trim. I do have a referral code. You don't have to use it, but I would love if you helped me out. I did recommend this to you, and you do get, I think, $20 off or $10 off. But take advantage of the sales between now and the 27th. And let me know if you have any questions. I know I talked a lot, but I recommend Coffee and Trim if you're gonna start, okay? Coffee and Trim. If you don't like the texture of pudding, go with the liquid. Instead of calling it Trim, it's BioCell. So I'll put my code on the screen because I reached out to the company and I was like, I wanna be a part of this. So I believe in this collagen over powder, and my nails prove it. My joints are less achy, and I'm gonna go have another scoop now.